Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to remove background from image in Photopea. Select Magic Wand tool by pressing W on your keyboard or clicking on the wand icon in the toolbar on the left. Hold down mouse button and choose Object Selection. Use Object Selection tool to draw a square around the object you want to keep in the image. Ensure that cross is fully inside the object. After selecting, tap on the Select Subject to improve selection. Click on Refine Edge to fine-tune the selection. You can use the Add or Remove tools to adjust parts of image. Zoom in if needed, select background color, and use small brush to refine edges, removing unwanted parts. If necessary, switch to foreground color and add parts you want to include in the selection. Once satisfied, click OK in the top right to apply changes. Now your image should have transparent background, and you can move it around and use it as needed. Now navigate to File and Export As, and in Export As, choose PNG and download it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.